Welcome back. Today we are making a quick Thai red curry chicken lasagna in the air fryer, with coconut curry sauce, tender noodles, spinach, basil, and a bubbling cheesy top. It serves 2 and takes 30 minutes, so you get cozy lasagna energy with bright Thai flavor on a weeknight. Let us walk through the ingredients, starting with 1 teaspoon neutral oil. It keeps the small baking dish from sticking without competing with the curry flavor. 6 no-boil lasagna noodles give us quick, sturdy layers that fit easily into a small air fryer baking dish once softened. 4 cups hot water soften the noodles just enough so they layer neatly without cracking. 1 1/2 cups full-fat coconut milk make the sauce rich, silky, and unmistakably Thai. 2 tablespoons Thai red curry paste bring lemongrass, chili, galangal, and deep savory heat to the lasagna sauce. 1 tablespoon fish sauce seasons the whole dish with salty depth, so we do not need extra salt. 1 teaspoon brown sugar rounds out the curry paste and balances the lime and fish sauce. 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice wakes up the coconut curry sauce with a bright finish. 1 1/2 cups cooked shredded chicken make this fast, hearty, and safe because the meat only needs to heat through. 1 cup baby spinach adds color, moisture, and a gentle vegetable layer that softens quickly in the air fryer. 1/2 cup Thai basil leaves gives the lasagna its fresh, peppery Thai aroma, with some inside and some saved for the top. 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese melts into a golden top and creamy pockets between the curry layers. We begin by preheating the air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. While it heats, brush the inside of a 6-inch air fryer safe baking dish with 1 teaspoon neutral oil, making sure the bottom and corners are lightly coated. Now that the dish is ready, place 6 no-boil lasagna noodles in a shallow bowl and pour over 4 cups hot water. Let them soften for 5 minutes, just until flexible, then drain them well. While the noodles soften, make the curry sauce. Whisk 1 1/2 cups full-fat coconut milk with 2 tablespoons Thai red curry paste, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice until the sauce turns smooth and orange. Now pull the filling together by stirring 1/2 cup of that curry sauce into 1 1/2 cups cooked shredded chicken. Coat the chicken well so every bite carries the red curry flavor. With the noodles drained and the filling seasoned, spread 1/4 cup curry sauce across the bottom of the oiled baking dish. This first layer keeps the pasta tender from underneath. Lay enough softened lasagna noodles over the sauce to cover the bottom. Break or overlap the noodles as needed so they fit the small square dish without leaving big gaps. For the first filling layer, spread half of the curry-coated chicken over the noodles. Add 1/2 cup baby spinach, 2 tablespoons Thai basil leaves, 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, and 1/4 cup curry sauce. Build the second layer the same way. Add another layer of softened noodles, then the remaining curry-coated chicken, the remaining 1/2 cup baby spinach, 2 more tablespoons Thai basil leaves, 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese, and 1/4 cup curry sauce. Finish the stack with the last softened noodles. Pour all remaining curry sauce over the top and gently press down with the spatula so the noodles sit in sauce and cook evenly. Cover the dish tightly with foil. This traps steam inside the air fryer, which helps the noodles finish cooking before the cheese browns. Place the covered dish in the air fryer and cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. By the end, the sauce should be bubbling around the edges and the noodles should feel tender when pierced. Now carefully uncover the dish, keeping your hands away from the steam. Sprinkle the remaining 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese evenly over the saucy top. Return the uncovered dish to the air fryer and cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 6 minutes, until the cheese melts, bubbles, and turns lightly golden in spots. Let the lasagna rest in the dish for 5 minutes. This short pause lets the curry sauce thicken so the layers hold together when you cut them. To close the cooking, scatter the remaining 1/4 cup Thai basil leaves over the hot lasagna, then cut it into 2 portions. The basil wilts slightly and releases that final fresh Thai aroma. This Thai red curry chicken lasagna delivers exactly what we promised: the comfort of lasagna with creamy coconut curry, basil, spinach, and a bubbling air fryer cheese top. Serve it hot in 2 generous squares, with the extra sauce from the dish spooned over the edges. If you enjoyed this quick air fryer twist, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more weeknight recipes.